Hey darlings, what's up? Teresa here and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a part 2 of the Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime palette. And here she is in all of her glory, okay? Okay everyone, so as you all can tell, I have a whole full face of makeup on, okay? But I want to do this other eye for you all using the Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime No. 2 palette. I'm so excited for this series, you guys. I think we have another 8 to go. I could be wrong on that, don't quote me, but we have a lot of palettes to get through. But this is her second one, and let me just open up the packaging. Here's the outer packaging here. And it's art, and as you all know, I am a collector, so I love the packaging for the Mothership palettes. Let's open her up, and here she is, the black lacquer packaging, the silver mirrored in the back, and let's see, let's open her up. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Very, very pretty. That green is just so pretty. I had to pop that on the lid. So what I did was I used my tried and true, my favorite Sonia Classic brush, Sonia G brush. And this is actually, no, this isn't the classic. This is the Detail Pro brush. And I use this in all of my videos. So I went in with the, I want to say this is a little warm. It's a, okay, where is she? It's a warm brown, matte brown here. I'm going to go in with that and just wash that and blend it up towards my eyebrow. So I'll go in with this shade first. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with that brown matte shade. I just wanted to zoom in for you all. Okay, darling, so next I'm gonna go in with this shimmery, it's like a shimmery gold shade here. It's more neutral. I'm gonna go in all over my lid with a wash of this color, and I'm gonna blend it up slightly. And I'm using my Sonia G Classic Crease brush. Okay guys, beautiful. Next guys, I'm gonna go in with the Pat McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand. I love this for the special shades. That's what it's meant for, and I love this product. It just makes that shade pop more. So I'm gonna click it up, and I'm just going to apply it right in the center of my eyelid and bring it up a little because I do have slightly hooded eyes. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go in with this beautiful green shade, and I'm going to pop that right in the center where I applied the IntensifEYES Artistry wand product. Look at this green, it's so pretty. Beautiful. Okay, next what I'm going to do is go back in with my Classic Crease brush and go in with that brown shimmer shade, that neutral brown shimmer shade, and just blend in the edges of that green. Okay guys, next I'm gonna take my JadeyWadey 180 brush. This is an old school, an oldie but goodie brush, and I'm going to use this tip right here to apply this pretty pinky, it's almost like a blush color shade on my brow bone and in a corner. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this, the first matte brown shade here. And I'm going to blend this on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to go off of camera, apply my lashes, mascara, and a little bit of liner, and I will be right back. Okay, darlings, this is the finished look that I came up with. I love it. I love the pop of green on my actual center of the lid, and the brown shimmer and the brown matte was just a nice wash of color. Everything blended out effortlessly, like it always does as far as the Pat McGrath formula goes in her, you know, in her Mothership palettes. I have zero complaints. And this is one of her earlier palettes. This is the second palette, and I'm just really liking how my eyes turned out, you know. Actually, you know, I don't go crazy in general with my makeup, with my eyeshadow, with color. I kind of keep it pretty safe, pretty neutral. A lot of pinks and mauves and shades like that is what I really go for, in warm shades. But I really do like how this look came out. It looks really, really pretty, you guys. So I'm very, very happy with it. Let me just fix my bangs. But anyway, I hope that you like this demo, and I hope that you are enjoying my Pat McGrath series, okay? So Pat McGrath, the third palette will be up next, and also be on the lookout for my Sephora VIB sale haul. I'm going to go live. I'm going to do a live stream, so be on the lookout for that, and of course be on the lookout for more shorts. And until next time, take care, darlings. Bye.